I bite my nails when I am nervous. I am biting into a juicy apple right now. I have just bitten my tongue by accident. I have been biting my lip to stay quiet all meeting. A dog bit me on the leg yesterday. I was biting into my sandwich when the phone rang. I had bitten off more than I could chew before I asked for help. I had been biting my nails for weeks before the results came out. I will bite the bullet and book the flight tomorrow. I will be biting my tongue during the whole debate tonight. I will have bitten through this tough steak by the time you finish. By tonight, I will have been biting back my anger for hours.